MCQ, the mass spectrometer itself, is this big, down in there. It's a very sensitive detector for a gas chromatograph, and we found it to be very useful, but you can't really feed things like proteins and peptides into a gas chromatograph unless you first change them so that they will go into the gas phase and go through the machine. So that's why we've turned to these techniques where you can have it in a liquid, you know, like blood.
Right.
And this allows us to analyze a lot more stuff than we would normally, or than what we did in the past. Now here's our newest toy. It's a QTOF, as opposed to that one, which would be called a MALDI-TOF. The QTOF has the ability to spray effluent into this chamber. The ions make a left-hand turn and go in a zigzag or Z configuration into the analyzer of the instrument, while the solids are left behind out here, the neutral material. That we can then select an ion that we want to analyze in here, feed it into that other chamber, which has another mass spectrometer buried in it. So this is one mass spec as a filter, and the other mass spectrometer is the analyzer. It's called MSMS.
Whoa.
And it's definitely swappy. Oh, sorry.
Well, look at all those controls. You know,
yeah,
we should probably, yeah, that's and the volume switch.
Yeah.
Do you have attack and sustain? Those are the kinds of controls I really like.
No.
I think we have to go back up to work in case the director shows up and we're not there with the cameras. That's going to look pretty bad. And we say, well, we were down with John playing with his toys, and we were having such a good time.
Now, that one is also an instrument that will analyze liquid samples. It's an LCM-SMS. And again, you have one quadrupole to select the ion, another quadrupole in which you would break the ion in pieces, and the third one that does the mass analysis.
Now, can we come down sometime and see this stuff work?
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Okay.
I'd like that.